Welcome to Waffle House. I'm Lana Del Rey. How are you guys doing? Great. Yes, I work at the Waffle House now. I'm really rich and really bored with my life, so I decided to start working at different fast food chains. And so far, my experience has just been as beautiful as the 4th of July here. And I really love it. It's just so. Okay, I can sing you a little song, but I do have to take your order. I am on the clock. Ready? Go play a video game. I'm in his favorite sundress, watching you get undressed. Take your body downtown. I see you in a big dress, smirking in the old piece. When I wanna down. You liked it? Awesome. So how about we get you guys some menus? So here, I'm just gonna put this menu right there. And there you guys go. You guys can decide what you guys want. You guys already know what you guys want? Amazing. Period. Oh, getting a little ghetto. I know. This Waffle House, oh my gosh, it has been crazy working at this Waffle House. Let me trust you. It's just scary around here. There's always people fighting, throwing lawn chairs, throwing the bar stools. It's quite an experience, honestly. Okay, I'll tell you. My new album coming out is called Cocaine and Cigarettes Down by the Beach. Are you excited? I know, right? It's such a good. Sorry, I'm trying to get my hoops to show. I love my hoopies. I know my third ex-husband actually gave me these hoops, and I know they were just like an engagement present, and I still like to wear them because I think memories are like everything and stuff, and just living in my own remnants of my own memories and my own pain and trauma, it really just brings me down and humbles myself as a human. So I really like to do that. But yeah, do we know what, have you decided? You guys know? Okay, yeah, Waffle House, we do, take orders on iPads now. See, it's a real iPad. See that kiss mark? That is so coquette right there. I know, I just love, obsessed with the 50s, the early 60s. I'm just obsessed with that whole entire era, so I like to base my inspiration off of what I do during the day, how I dress, how I feel. Do you have a vape? Do you have a vape by chance? Do you? Oh, you don't? Oh my god, hold on. Let me get my emergency cigarette. Hold on. Yeah, I know. I mean, I'm a celebrity, so I can technically smoke wherever. You guys are fine with it, right? Perf. Okay, what do you guys want to order? Okay, couple flapjacks. I can definitely do that. No waffles? You're not a waffle fan? Oh my god. That's like my biggest reason why I came to Waffle House. I kind of just like, I love waffles so much. It reminds me of like the childhood, coquette, like 1920s, like vintagey car, like era. I don't know, an American flag. Like waffles are just very American flag like vibe to me. Like very like conservative yet like liberating at the same time. Because I feel like I'm a really big stan of like women's rights. I'm a really big fan of like women's rights and stuff, so that's kind of how I get all my inspiration from. Just like how I wake up, how I do my hair, how I put on my red lipstick, how I have my vintage car, my vintage cigarettes. I'm a big fan of Virginia Slims. You guys like, yeah, I know, Virginia Slim hits diff. Hits really different. Ah, you're wearing blue jeans. I love blue. I have a song named Blue Jeans. You know that, right? Blue jeans, white shirt, sitting on the table making my eyes hurt. You were like Trevor Dean, off the spins, wearing those blue jeans. It's you, it's young and beautiful. Will you still love me? Glass of milk, okay. Sorry. No, oh yeah, you're welcome for the free concert, honestly. I just love, like, being a persona and being an image. Are you following Honeymoon on Instagram? Oh my god, follow Honeymoon on Insta before I go private again. Oh, you're not a real fan. Oh, you just came to get pancakes? Oh, that's not really why I came to Waffle House. Anyways, you want an OJ with that too? Okay, syrup. No syrup. Okay, I was about to say you're about to eat your pancakes dry. That's not cute. Okay, I'll definitely add extra syrup. Okay, perfect. Extra syrup on there. Oh, and a side of Norman Rockwell Ranch? You eat ranch with your pancakes? Wait, that's like a totally song lyric. Ranch and pancakes down by the Riverwalk. Oh my god, see, I just love working fast food and like poverty stricken jobs just because it like I really like get to experience the real world and stuff. Like you just gave me inspiration for my next studio album. Like, oh my god, thank you. I should be paying for your guys' Waffle House. But sadly I am here to make a wage and a living, so I know I gotta feed my horses, my cats, and my dust mites, and my walking American flags. I know it sounds a little bit weird, but I do have a lot of American flags that do talk to me at night. They help me with a lot of inspiration. That's pretty much all I have to say. But is there anything you just want the flapjacks? Anything else? Do you turkey bacon? We have bacon, turkey bacon. We could do pot pie, waffle pie, a pot pie. What is it? I think it's my first day on the job, if I'm being honest. I know. Pot pie, like we have like a pot pie flapjack special. It's really good. No? Okay. It's fine. Let me just put that order in. The good thing about it is that I can still stay here and talk to you. You're fine with that? I can throw in some free milkshakes if you let me talk to you. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna put in that order for Jerry in the kitchen. Oh my god, let me tell you, Jerry is so cute. Like, he's so fine. He's married too. And I just have like a thing for married men. I don't know why, but like, it's so nice. Sorry, I have to whisper because like I don't want Jerry to hear me. He's a really big fan of me, but like I don't want him to know that I want him to make my American dream boyfriend. He just looks like 2 upcoming albums. And yeah, he's so fine. Like, oh my god, I definitely flop on his flapjack, if you know what I mean. Waffle House joke. It's a Waffle House thing. But yeah, babe, yeah, sweetie. I'm gonna put that order in for Jerry. And yeah, we can just sit and talk for a little bit while your flapjacks and your other condiments that you ordered get ready and stuff. But yeah, I'm trying to get inspiration from a new studio album. That's pretty much like why I'm out here. I know a lot of people. Oh, of course, we can take a picture when I'm done with the interview. It's totally fine. I don't mind at all. Like, I love talking to my fans. Like, I just love connecting with them. Well, like, honestly, I need to like lay back on like overly connecting with my fans because one of my fans, like, they were getting autographs. We were taking pictures and stuff. Sorry, I need my brush. We were taking pictures and stuff, and I asked to hit one of her vape. I am a vape addict. It's like, it's just something I live with. I was born to die, as I say in one of my songs. I was born to die, so if vaping cigarettes kill me, then that's when my time is to go. Like, I think about this all the time. When you die is when you die, and when you die is at the right time. That's why I don't really like think of any tragedies in my family that passed away or anything that's bad, or like so much remorse or like sadness over them. Yeah, it's sad when somebody dies, but honestly I just feel like when you die, your time's up. Divine timing is a real thing. That's like divine timing. That is such a good song lyric. Oh my god. Hold on, let me type that in my notes real quick. Divine timing. That's such a good song. Alright. Divine, divine, down by the ocean, as I wave my flag in the back with my Cadillac and him in my motorcycle lap. Yeah, I still am working on the logistics and stuff, but it's kind of like how I go off my songs and stuff. I basically just do that, so. Sorry, these flapjacks, I kind of keep them in my pocket or just keep them to the side, and they add as like a really good like touch up to my face, because I don't set my makeup. I kind of just like to have like a natural makeup look, which I do have makeup on, but like I like more of like a natural look, so these flapjacks come in handy when I just want to do a quick touchy uppy and a good sucky. I'm trying to lose weight right now. Ooh. Yummy. I'm trying to lose weight right now, so a good little suck on a flapjack, like, it really helps. So yeah, that's basically it. I think your food should be coming out right now. Wait, let me see. Oh, it's out of the oven. Perfect. Oh, I mean, it's out of the grill. Sorry, we don't we don't pre it's not frozen food. It's fresh flour and stuff. Like, ever since I came here 2 hours ago, I've been changing this entire way on how they work and stuff. So I don't know, I feel like a really warrior of Waffle House. I'm just grateful to work here and be able to actually film out a W-9 form. The Illuminati doesn't really take W-9 forms, but we're here working at Waffle House, so I'm really grateful for that. Basically here just to be humble and get back to my roots of working as a poor person and stuff. But yeah, I think your flapjacks are here. Thank you, Jeremy. I love you. You're cute. Here are your flapjacks. We don't actually serve them on plates or anything, just because it is the celebrity special flapjack. You're fine with that, right? Oh, of course. You want me to kiss them for you, honey? I will kiss any. Well, to an extent, like merchandise and stuff, and like stuff that could be resold on eBay possibly. Oh my god, my name tag. My name tag is so proud. I might sell this on eBay too once I'm done here. Sorry, I had a little itch in my nose. But these are your flapjacks. Do you like them? I know these. Jeremy put his back into these. Oh, they're a little cold. Let me warm them up with my hands. Sorry. Let me just warm them up with my hands. Yeah, this is part of the Waffle House thing. We kind of just warm up the pancakes if they're a little too cold. But yeah, I get so zoned in because it's kind of like playing with American flag themed slime. Like, it's just so liberating and so like 1920s coquette, frail, like Victorian child vibes. Like, that's just what it gives me, to be honest. And I love that. That's like one of the beautiful things about life. You can just enjoy the little things, just like the flapjacks you're about to eat. Well, of course, you're gonna eat them soon once I'm done serenading them and stuff for you, but I love the sound of these. Wow. There's nothing like a good smell of a flapjack in the earliest mist of morning when sunrise is approaching from across the mountain. It is just so amazing. It just reminds me of my childhood. It reminds me of America and Congress and what this world is built on. Food, beers, gun, cigarettes, smoking, American dream. That's it right there. Red, white, and blue in my hot fava. That's all I'm saying. Sorry, I keep touching my hair. I just really want my hoops to show, because when my hoops to show, I can't think correctly. They're basically like an amulet, as the people would say. Well, these were passed down from my great-grandmother, and they do have the power of protection, so if anyone tries me, that's why I don't really go anywhere with bodyguards and stuff, because this is the amulet of protection. They're my earrings. It once used to be a pendant of black onyx and silver in the 1950s when my grandmother had it and passed it down to me. But I got them turned into earrings. They still carry the same power, and they actually, I added some things when I was like in Illuminati and stuff. I added some little like tweaks of my own. I tweaked them myself to really benefit me. So I kind of just have an overflow of creativity and musical theater in me, as you will, if you will. Oh yeah, sorry, you want your flapjacks? Can I just play with them a little more? They're really soft. They're almost like a hand warmer almost. Even though they're kind of cold still, but you're fine? Yeah, okay, yeah, I'll play with them. I know you want me to. As I was saying, yeah, it's just so liberating and free, and I just feel like a real woman when I just have all these crazy mindsets, and just, I don't know, it's so fresh. Like, someday, like, I don't know about donating my money, but I might donate my money to like the American organization or something to bring back red, white, and blue and love. Free, real, magnificent, genuine love across America. I might just do that. But I really want to live in like a trailer park. I want to settle down. I want to have an old Chevy. I want to have a box TV. I want to have some, what are those TV trays? I want to watch vintage shows. I'm so over this era of technology and drama and how you have to be beautiful and you have to be hot for everyone and live up to standards and stuff, but I don't know. I'm gonna try to express all those thoughts and feelings to my next album and stuff, but for now, I'll let you at it and eat your pancakes. Does that sound good? Amazing. I'm just so grateful that I was able to take your order today at Waffle House. Please go on Google and leave a review. I want everyone to know when they look up the reviews of this Waffle House, because all the reviews of all the other Waffle Houses across America are disgusting. So many fights break out, screaming, spitting, punching, chairs throwing, fry oil being thrown, just so much ghetto-ness. And I want this Waffle House to be different. I want it to be liberating. I want it to be American again. I want it to be free. I want it to be just vintage and loving and do you know what I mean? But yeah, it's just this Waffle House is gonna be really, it's gonna be flipped upside down. I see the vision. You see the vision too, right? Great. Well, just make sure to go leave a 5-star review on Yelp. I gotta take my next table now. It's been nice conversating about you. Yeah, we're not charging people today, so those flapjacks and the drinks they're on me today. They're on my American Vintage card. So you have been a great inspiration to my future and to all my songs that I'm gonna write. But it was an amazing, amazing time meeting you, and I'm gonna go serve the other table now. But yeah, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.